Hello friends, in this video we will learn about bundle product. So what is a bundle product? Suppose we are on a product called 15-inch laptop. So what makes this product different from other products? Let's see first of all in the UI. Let's duplicate this tab. Let's go to a port and try to add this 15-inch laptop into that port. You will see the difference between normal products and the bundle products. Clicking on edit lines, you will see some products. These are the normal products, but what is a bundle product? Clicking on add product, custom action. Let me just remove the filters. Okay, selecting the 15-inch laptop, clicking on select. Now what is this? This is not our code line editor. This is another page. This is for configuration of the products. It is called configure product page, and this page comes only for products which are a bundle product. Okay, so let me show you here. Okay, so in this product, in the related tab, you can see some options, things called options, features. Okay, clicking on edit on a particular option. Let's see what is the option. Okay, so here you can see, let me show you here also. Okay, so you can see some, these are also products, options are also products, but like these are associated with this parent product. This 15-inch laptop is a parent product and it has options associated with it. And what we are doing is we are grouping the options in a thing called features. Suppose we have around 7-8 options, then we can group some options in the form of a thing called feature, like this process, memory and storage. You can say this process, storage and memory. These are called features, and these features are containing some particular options. So this option is also a product. And how are we linking it to a particular feature? In the feature, we will populate our feature which we have created, so that this options comes under that feature only, just for the simplification. Okay, and in the feature, suppose this is a process feature, there is a thing called category. Here you can see category hardware, software. So you will see a separate tab for hardware, software and other. So these are the categories, and each category can have features. Like this feature is part of this category. Also I can do this feature also as part of that category. So just for the way of simplification. So this is the difference between a normal product and a bundle product. You will get this screen and you need to select some options here, and you can make these options as mandatory, like user needs to select at least one or maximum 4 options, or like if this option is selected then this option should automatically select it. We can do such configurations. Okay, so let me just show you selecting this option, and let's select some options. Clicking on save, you will see in the code line editor a separate way of representing the port lines. You can see this is the way. In the case of a normal product, it is just one port line, but here you can see a down arrow, and these are the options which are part of this bundle. Okay, and there is a checkbox on the product field component. If you check this, suppose this is a 15-inch laptop, and if you check this box, then this product won't be available for selection on the add product page, because checking this component means that this product is part of a bundle. Okay, that means it's a component, like these options. Like for these options, RAM 8 GB, SSD, hard drive, we can check this box, component checkbox, so that these can't be sold individually. These need to be sold only when 15-inch laptop is sold. So this is about bundles, and we will learn about various customizations and configurations in bundle products in the upcoming videos, like using optional constraints and how to apply product rules and price rules. So thanks a lot. Stay tuned for the upcoming tutorials.